Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're seeing this. Prep and Prosper Property Solution coming to you today with a topic called preparing your property for either an extended vacation, extended stay, or it could be an extended illness or inside of a hospital or rehab facility, and you need to get your property together. So as you can see today, we're coming to you today from vacation, from Nassau, Bahamas. And one of the things we wanted to talk about is making sure that as a landlord or a property manager, someone that owns properties and has tenants, you want to make sure you do a few things to get your property together before you go on vacation or extended stays. One of the first things you want to do is create a notification system, whether you use a CRM or any type of system that you have. It could be simply email or writing. You want to notify your tenants in a timely manner that you're going to be away. You don't have to tell them exactly where you're going, but you do want to make sure they have important contact information as far as any maintenance or emergency numbers. You want to make sure that individuals or your tenants do have some type of way to reach any type of personnel that could be emergency personnel on site. You want to make sure that they have access to any type of if you have any contractors or vendors that are coming through, you want to notify them in writing too. You don't want individuals showing up on your property and you can't answer any questions for them. But you want to make sure you notify each and every person that you possibly could, how long you're going to be gone and when you will return back, anticipated. You want to make sure you take care of different security measures. One of the things that we recommend here at Prep and Prosper is, if you're a landlord, is to record or to film yourself taking care of certain things around the house, such as turning down your thermostats, if you're turning off any water lines, if you're disconnecting any type of appliances. You want to make sure you record those items. You want to make sure you have a digital recording of those items, so once you return, you can go back and ensure that if any of these items were on or there was any type of mishap while you were gone, you can show proof that you did, with your contractors or yourself, you turned off the appliances or you turned off certain things. You don't have to do that, but it's recommended just to make sure, especially if you have any issues or you've had any water pressure issues or water line issues in the past and you're not sure exactly how long the individual will be gone. I would say, if you're a smaller landlord, either to have a property manager or even a family member or someone you can highly trust to check in on the property if you're going to be gone for extended stays. So one of the things we just wanted to do is just give you guys some more tips and things you can do. Next thing we're going to talk about too is just making sure you have different security measures in place. If you utilize any type of security systems, you want to make sure that your tenants have any type of, that you have access codes. If you're going to purchase any Wi-Fi packages, or depending on where you're going, you want to make sure you can still have access to it, or someone that you trust has access to it. If you're doing any type of security systems, camera, remote access that you can actually look in, there's plenty of systems. I'm not going to recommend anyone. We're not endorsed by anyone. But there are great systems that we use that we can actually log into right now, see everything on our property. We can actually have a voice conversation if we needed to. All our tenants know exactly what we're doing if they need to reach us. So it's just a few things you can do to make sure the process goes as smooth as possible if you can. Prep and Prosper Property Solution here, giving you another tip as far as preparing your property for extended travel. If you need anything, leave a comment, leave a like, share this video, and follow us if you can on any of our platforms. Prep and Prosper, we're growing, we're creating solutions for property owners, and our goal is to make it for our small property owners or landlords, or even people that have been thrown into being a landlord and you don't know where to turn, you don't have any type of experience, but you're not making enough revenue or income to hire a property manager just yet. So this channel is going to help you guys out. So hope you guys have a great day. Make sure as a landlord you set aside time and effort for your vacation travel, just for your mental easement, and to be able to tackle life's challenges that you have. It's not necessary. Make sure you grow financially and get the things in order first. But when you can, make sure you take time for yourself, your family, and most of all, just worship God. Prep and Prosper Property Solution. Have a good day.